Most of us have run into this little icon letting us know that the project size for a print and cut project is too large. But let me tell you the good news.
My name is Ruth. This is Hank's Maker Mentor, where I help you learn how to make.
In the beta version 7.26 for Design Space for Desktop, larger print and cut size is coming. The old size was 6.75 by 9.25 inches for an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. The new size is 6.82 by 9.32, also for an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. So let's take a look at the size difference when we put the old size over top of the new size. Can you see it there? There's a little bit there. That little bit of green is the size that we've gained with the new print and cut update. I'm hoping it's a precursor of things to come because the other change that they've done to print and cut is changing what borders print for the Cricut to scan. Previously, it would print a thick, full border the entire way around the design. Now they've changed it so it just prints these lines in each of the four corners for the Cricut to scan. I'm hoping this means that it's relying on fewer scanning points while still maintaining the accuracy it does have and being able to allow them to enlarge it so it can scan larger images to enable larger print and cut. If you're using the beta version and running into issues, please make sure you report them. The more bugs we work out with this, the more likely we are to be able to get larger print and cut. I was able to use print and cut on 4 pages and I was happy with the results. Let me know in the comments, what's the largest your printer can print?
Thanks for watching Hank's Maker Mentor. Until next time, bye.